Passenger inside. Let us close. It's very simple actually. We just need to turn this one. This is the rescue device. Okay? Put this one in rescue operation. Tamam? Then we will press together these two button here. Together we will press this one. See, you will hear a continuous sound, meaning the level is already in the floor level. So you just need to open this one manually, no need to use the door. Yes. Okay. You just need to open this one manually and release the people inside. Okay, this is how simple it is. And once the power supply is shut down here also, we have this emergency light here coming. There is an emergency light here, okay, which will be enlightened once there is a power shutdown. Okay, so this is the situation, guys. We're in but first we have to check where is the elevator cabin.
Same panel at every floor, like this one.
Well, you can see it here actually. For example, it is stopped in between 5 and 6, so you can find it here. Where is the cabin floor stops? So once you press this one, put in rescue operation, press together, and you will hear the long sound. Okay, then you can.